I went to Stone Creek today to show a house, and I was up there. What a beautiful place! I don't think they get enough credit for how beautiful their uh, their what I call a resort is. It's absolutely stunning. The houses are beautiful. It's well maintained. It's landscaped beautifully. It's not crowded. It's not a million tons of traffic. There's not people that don't live in there driving through it. There's not a huge highway driving through the middle of it. It is a beautiful place. I went through a model of theirs, and they kind of have a street of dreams, which is nice. They have probably about 8 homes on there. And I'll see if I can pop up a picture of it here. And I went to this one house, a Stellar house. What a great name for it, Stellar. And it is. It's absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful home. I'm going to show you it right here as my little walkthrough I did today with my wife, Nicole. And we did this after we got done showing a home up there, which is also beautiful, by the way. And so take a look at this. I'm going to dictate where we are in this house as we go, and you can kind of follow along. This house is absolutely stunning. Wait till you see this thing. Now, this is the front room as we enter. So you walk into this big kitchen, living room area. It's beautiful. In the front, they have a bedroom with a bath, full bath, tall ceilings, 10-foot ceilings in this easily. Doors are all 8 foot. Every ceiling in this house is 10 foot. Beautiful. Again, this is a model. You could that whole street right there, half the street was basically models. So as you walk in, you have this little suite here to the left. And again, you have that room there to the right, which is kind of like a little seating area. I think they use it as a sales office right now. As you walk down this hallway, the garage to your right, and they have this little mud room, which is cute, how they laid this out. And then the laundry is right here to your left. There you go. Very nice. Tile floor throughout. So you got your double garage, golf cart garage. Driveway floor is already sealed on this model, at least. So they did the works on this house. It's beautiful. Here's another bed in their own bathroom. So every bedroom has their own bathroom here, which I love. You can break them off. Beautiful. Very nice as you walk through this. My camera does not do this house justice, but it is a stunning home. I think this is the furnace on the right. Here's big room. Love the in-wall oven. Huge island. Love the seating area. Love the dining table. Love this wall. It's gorgeous. Love the pool. Backs up to a golf course. It's stunning right here. Very nice. And the good thing about this place is that I'm able to walk around to all these homes, go in them, and without someone having to drive me around. Like the one thing I don't really care for about the villages, they just don't open up their homes. You got to go with a salesperson, which I think is idiotic, especially other people they're bringing down there. But this is just so much more relaxing, and we were the only ones there, which is even more amazing. So another thing I like about this has 4 baths, okay? But this bathroom here is off the pool. This is a pool bathroom. So someone's going in the pool, they're coming in your house, say you got your grandkids over, they're not going to tread all that water, that chlorine water, through your house. They have this bath to dry off and take a shower. I love it. Now we're going to go in the master. These beautiful windows. Love that. Let me stop here. Love the shiplap too. It's gorgeous. Now we're going to walk into the main. Dual sinks. Wait till you see the closet in this baby. Nice. How big this closet is. Now that's a closet. Ooh. Shower's pretty. Tile shower. Just walk in. Again, 10-foot ceilings in here. This should be your uh, toilet on the left. Very pretty. Sorry if I go a little quick in here, but some of these spaces are tight. Let's go to the pool. Wow. It was so peaceful there too. You don't hear highways. You're not hearing all this noise. A million cars driving behind your home. You don't hear any of that over here. It's beautiful. Gorgeous bird cage. The home next door is a Model 2 of the pool. Let's go to the kitchen a little bit. Isn't that gorgeous? That is a gorgeous house. Now, nothing against villages, but you would have to get the premier home to get something similar to this in a lot of ways. But I do like the layout of this property. I like the fact they thought of the bathroom inside the pool. They thought of the breaking off to the bedrooms with their own bath. I just love that layout. I love the decor they used on this. Now I know this is probably a model, so they probably decked this out a little bit more. But I'm gonna make some probably tell everybody when we're gonna be going up to some of these other places. And if you guys want to tag along, feel free to do so. We can probably go in as a group, and we'll be able to go up there and maybe see some of these places. I love to go back here to this place because it's absolutely stunning, and get some information, take a look around some of their models. And we didn't go in all of them. We just went in some of them. But it's a beautiful place. You can't go wrong with this place. Let me see if I can pull up the outside picture of this house. All right, so here's the outside as you walk in. It's beautiful. And there's a sign, obviously. And this whole street has these signs up. I mean, half the street at least. So you can go walk right in. There's nobody there. You can park in the parking lot. They have a parking lot just like the Street of James for Villages. You can go there, park. They have cameras in the house, and you can just take your tour and take your time. So, anyways, take a look at this house when you get a chance, and we'll talk to you soon.